welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to bring you guys my next video, and this one's a little bit different than what you guys are normally used to seeing from me, but I'm going to be doing an unboxing and assembly of my new vacuum cleaner. You know you're an adult when you are super excited about buying a new vacuum cleaner, but specifically I have bought a new carpet cleaner, and today's video I am going to be showing you guys what comes in this box today and also how to hopefully very quickly assemble my new vacuum cleaner. So this here is the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolutionary Pet Pro vacuum cleaner. It is a carpet cleaner. It is very highly rated on Amazon and all over the internet. And today I want to actually unbox this with you guys and share what actually comes in the box. Now this vacuum cleaner or carpet cleaner is a little bit different than most carpet cleaners out there because it is one of the top rated for at-home carpet cleaning. But what's also really great about this newer model from Bissell is that it has two different tanks. So it has one tank for the clean water and the solution that you're going to use to clean your carpets, and then the second tank for that nasty dirty water that comes out from your carpet. So instead of having one tank, it has two tanks. It is also super highly rated for anyone that does have any pets or any sort of animals that might leave stains on carpet. So that is why I actually bought this today. But like I already said, today's video is just going to be the unboxing as well as assembly of everything that comes in this box today. I will be doing a totally separate video on my first impressions using it on some of the toughest stains in my house, and I will be showcasing that in a separate video. If you guys want to check out that video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on my bell notification so you know exactly when that video is going live. Hi Bubbles, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, good girl, come here. We're gonna be in a video. Yes. Right, little Miss Zizi has joined us. For those of you guys that are just new to my channel or have not followed me or Zizi on Instagram, this is my teacup Yorkshire Terrier, and although she looks so cute and cuddly and lovable, she is a tiny little terror and messes up my carpets from time to time. She does have little accidents, and I read online that this carpet cleaner is probably the best carpet cleaner if you are a pet owner. So little Miss Zizi does have little tinkles and accidents on the carpet from time to time. She is pretty well house trained, but you know, like many other dogs or, you know, pups out there, they do have accidents. And because of that, I need to clean my carpets regularly because I own a pet. But also, I just totally find carpets a little bit dirty. And I think that having a carpet cleaner around in the house is a very smart investment if you do have carpets anywhere in your house. But particularly, I want to see if this carpet cleaner actually works on effective stains that Zizi has caused. Maybe a little bit of dirt, but also, like I said, pet urine stains, which she's definitely done on my carpet as well. But this carpet cleaner supposedly gets all of those out from your carpet, and it is very affordable. I actually only paid £250 for this carpet cleaner off of Amazon. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this exact model and everything else that I showcase in this video today, I will make sure to link everything down in the description below. So I mainly bought this carpet cleaner because I want to be cleaning my carpets, of course, from little Miss Zizi's messes, but I also bought it to clean other things around my house because this carpet cleaner actually comes with attachments so that you can clean your sofa, your mattress, maybe even any other upholstery that you have throughout your house. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into today's video and unbox this beautiful carpet cleaner. If you guys are as excited as me for a new carpet cleaner or a new vacuum cleaner in your house, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to create more content just like this for you guys. So the first thing that I see in the box is this ProHeat 2X Revolutionary Pet Pro User Guide. Don't think I'm actually going to be reading this, but it does give you like a little list of what's in the box. And then, yeah, some warranty stuff, and then obviously how to actually assemble your vacuum cleaner. So the next two things that are located right at the top of the box are my new carpet shampoo. I actually got a really good deal, which you can get on Amazon, which is if you purchase 2 of these carpet cleaners, you actually get a third one for free. So I decided on top of what comes with the box, I would order these as extras. Again, if you guys want to check these out, I will link everything in the description down below. The next thing that I see is this sample of a carpet cleaner, and this is the Bissell Oxygen Boost, which permanently removes tough stains. Now, whenever you buy this vacuum cleaner, or most carpet cleaners, they actually come with little samples like this, and this one is 8 fluid ounces. So usually this much carpet cleaner in a sample will get a small room or maybe one part of a sofa or something. So if you are purchasing this cleaner, I would actually recommend getting additional cleaners if you do have a large house to clean. But this is a good sample in order to just test out the cleaner and make sure you actually like it and it works. And I think it comes with 1 or 2 samples. I'll have to see. The next thing in the box is actually the nozzle head for one of the attachments, and this, I believe, is for deep cleaning carpets. And you can see here there's a bit of an agitator brush, but this is actually made of plastic or, you know, some kind of silicone here. It's not actually brushes. And you can see here, this is obviously where the water comes through, and then on the top of the attachment, you can see there's a wet option at the bottom so that you can, you know, pull this down. I'm guessing that'll spray out any of the carpet cleaner, and then the dry, I'm guessing when you switch that on, is actually gonna suction up any of that extra water. So this is one of the attachments that comes with this vacuum cleaner. Cool. The next thing that's in the box is, I believe this is the clean water tank. So like I said earlier in the video, what's great about this particular model of the Bissell carpet cleaner is that it comes with 2 different tanks instead of just one. So one tank is for the clean water as well as the shampoo. And this is the clean water tank. You can see it's a 3.7 liter tank, which is really great. I think that should clean, you know, a pretty decent sized room. I'll get back to you if it does. So I think up here is where you actually fill it with water and then also the solution. And what's great is also on the back of this, you'll see here, it makes it super easy for you to decide how much water you actually need and then how much formula you need of the carpet cleaner. I think that's really helpful, really easy. And what's really good is that, like I said, there is a deep clean mode in this carpet cleaner as well as an express clean. So for an express clean, you actually need way less water and way less formula. But if you are trying to go for that deep clean with using more water, the fill line is just there and then the formula fill line is there. So the next thing in the box is another one of those Bissell carpet cleaners, and this is again the Wash and Protect Pet Stain Odor. As I said before, I got a 3-for-2 deal, which is really, really great. If you guys want to check out that deal, it's a really good value for money, and I will link it down below. The next thing in the box is actually the handle. So this is the upright handle for the vacuum cleaner. And wow, it looks super sleek, as you can see. Up top here is where you probably squeeze up on this, and then that will actually release more of the water and the formula. And I think this here is a very important screw from what I've seen. This is actually a screw that's going to screw in the handle into the actual base model, so don't lose that when you get it. It's very sleek design, and then I think it just clips in here and then you actually have to screw it in, but I will show that in a minute. All right, the next thing is this bag here, and I think this bag is actually the hose. Yes, this is the hose. If I open this baggie up, you'll see that this is the hose that you can attach onto the main vacuum cleaner, and you're able to clean like your mattress or your sofa. I think one part clicks into the actual vacuum cleaner and the other part obviously clicks into any attachment that you do have, but I think it's a very nice long hose that you can see, and I'm really keen to actually try this out because the main reason I purchased this vacuum cleaner over other spot cleaners is because it is an upright vacuum that easily does carpets, but also this hose attachment is going to be a game changer for my sofa, for my mattress, for any other upholstery in my house. Oh look, there's even more samples in the box. There's a Bissell Wash and Protect Pro Stain and Odor. This is something that's professional strength to remove extra tough stains. And then one sample size of the Bissell Wash and Protect Pet Stain one. So I have so many shampoos that I get to try out. Okay, I think the next thing in the box is the base of the vacuum. Oh no. So as I said, this is the actual base of the vacuum cleaner. I've made a mess in my living room unboxing this, but so this is the actual base of the vacuum cleaner. It obviously has a cord running to it as well, and then it has a 3-prong UK plug, and this is where the actual dirty water bin is, which is really cool because obviously you have one that's clean and one that's dirty, and then I think just in here is where I attach the nozzle, and you can see the brushes down here as well. Oh, I'm so excited to give this a go. Another attachment that came in the box is this small 3-in-1 stair tool. I think this is really cool. If you have any stairs, you can obviously use the brush bristles here to really get into any dirt and crevices on your stairs. And then up here you can see this is where the vacuum actually extracts any of that extra water. Also in the box you can see here is another attachment tool. It's a very small attachment tool. I think this would be great for any furniture. Again, there's the clear part at the top where it's going to pull up any of that extra water. You can also have a release button here. I think this will actually, yeah, it helps clean out the whole top so you can keep this nice and clean, which is really great, and it's really easy to then maintain and clean your actual vacuum cleaner. And the next thing I found in the box is this actual clip-in part, which I think clips into the top here, and that actually holds the clean tank in place. And there's actually instructions attached to this actual clip, and it says assembly instructions important, and it gives you a step-by-step instruction guide on here. So if you don't want to read the user guide fully, there is instructions just here. And finally, the last tool that I really want to showcase today that I know is really, really basic but really cool to have is this cleaner tool. And this actually helps maintain your vacuum cleaner because it's a nozzle cleaner, and it helps pull out any additional dirt, any carpet fluff that gets into your vacuum. It's so important to make sure you're maintaining your carpet cleaner as much as you're using it. So in order to keep it running for years and years, okay guys, let's go ahead and put all of this together. This is only the base. I'm going to attach everything, and then I'll be back to talk about everything once I've attached it. Now that I've taken everything out of the box, I just want to quickly show you guys everything that comes with purchase when you purchase the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. So you do get 3 attachments, which is really great value for money. But what's really special about this particular brand is that you get this pet upholstery tool, which is really great if you do have little furry friends. Again, this is the nozzle clean out tool that really gets in here and cleans everything out of this area here. You can see the brush heads in there that's able to really get deep into your carpet cleaning. And then what's great is you do have 3 small samples in order to really test out and start using this carpet cleaner, and then the nozzle back there, and then of course the full vacuum cleaner. Overall, getting this for 250 pounds I think is a great bargain, because when you do rent carpet cleaners and you pay day by day, it can be anywhere from 40 to 50 pounds just for a 1-day rental. And if you do have pets and a lot of carpets in your house, this might be a great option because it's 250 pounds and you get it forever and a 6-year guarantee. Guys, I did it. That was like super quick. Wow. Now that I finished assembling, let's actually put on all the attachments and talk about the attachments. So like I've already shown you guys, this carpet cleaner comes with a hose attachment, which is really great for cleaning your sofa or any other upholstery. And there's actually just a slot here at the bottom, and this goes in and clicks in, I think just like that. Oh my gosh, look how easy that was. And then the other side of this will actually attach on any of the 3 attachments that come with the vacuum cleaner. I think it just clicks in. Wow, look how easy that was. And then you just turn it on and clean everything. Oh my gosh, honestly, this was so easy to assemble. I can't believe it was that quick. It was a matter of 1 screw and 3 parts, and I got this together. So guys, this brings me to the end of my Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. Wow, try saying that 5 times fast. Oh my gosh. that is a mouthful. But anyways, I'm so excited. It was super easy to actually assemble this carpet cleaner, and I'm really keen to actually get started and use it. So if you guys actually want to see me using this carpet cleaner and actually trying to see if it takes out all of those tough stains, especially pet stains, in a future video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that big red subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube fam, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you know exactly when that video is going live. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are, and I wish you the happiest of cleaning, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye!